In this video, I'm gonna share with you how I make these stories, or you can say worksheets and comics, etc. for kids. So if you are wondering how we can create these stories, comics, so yeah, you are on the right video, because I'm gonna share with you how you can create these kind of stories from the scratch. And there are 5 things you need to know. So let's start. So 5 things are story, layout, characters, expression, and background. So for the story, if you are a good writer, and this is basically going to be in English language, so if you are good at this, you can create a story from your own idea, or you can hire a content writer for your story. And then layout. So once your story is ready, so you will move that file to designer or illustrator, and then illustrator needs a layout. So like in the story there are 5 scenes, so in one page he or her needs to be divided the one page in 5 pieces. So just like this. The story has only 3 scenes, so the page should be in 3 parts. So basically in that black box there will be 3 scenes and also the dialogues. So for example, there are so many layouts I will just share with you. You can see. So yeah, once you read the story, you need to focus on the layout. And then next is background. So if your story is about a jungle, so you can get a background about jungle, or the story is about in-house or outdoor or backyard. So like this, you can get a background. You don't need to really create the background. You can find on Freepik or Shutterstock. So these websites are really free. You can use the artwork from there. So just like this, I have been using the backgrounds from the internet only, Freepik and Shutterstock. We have actually Shutterstock subscription, so we can use the background or so many things from the Shutterstock, and we don't need to contribute them. And then next one is characters. So in your story, there will be a characters, 1 or 2 or 3. So yeah, you need to make characters, or you can get from internet like Freepik and Shutterstock. So if your story about some animals, so recently I made a story about a fox family, and you can see there are so many characters, and these are from the Shutterstock only, and this is the file from Shutterstock, and these are my scenes. I have like modified them from my idea, like what is the scene saying. You can see the dialogue box that they are collecting the flowers. So in the scene, I need to show correctly that they are actually collecting the flowers from the jungle. And it is really important that you don't need to use the same. If you are downloading from Shutterstock and Freepik, so just modify them a little bit, then there will be no copyright issue. If you are using the same, so there are some chances you can get copyrighted. So just change a little bit color or shape, like eyes and mouths and nose color, clothes, change some a little bit, so then you can say this is mine. And the next and last, very important, that is expressions. So in your story there will be some scenes where like the main character is sad, somewhere it will be crying, or it will be happy. So you need to show that happy face, sad face, and talking face. So how you can actually do that? Very simple trick. Just you need to focus on eyebrows and mouth and eyes. If the character is sad, so you need to do like play with the eyebrows and simple mouth, so you will get an expression about sad feeling. If the character is really happy, so you need to like play with the eyebrow like this, and you can actually create a mouth, open mouth, so that will look like a really happy face. And yeah, if the character is looking for something, looking around, so you need to play with the eyes. You can just create 2 shapes, circles, and change the black and white color like this, and just put that black shape where it is looking, and just cut it by this tool. So you will get eye looking expressions. Alright guys, so these are the things I really wanted to share with you, and I hope you really like it. So this is how I have been creating stories from 1 year, and I have something around 300 stories made by myself. So I'll meet you in the next video. Until take care, and thank you so much. And if you want to watch some tutorials about graphic designing like banner design, poster design and flyer design, just check out my playlist. There are so many videos you would like.